guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. I have the monthly Boxycharm unboxing video today. This is the May box and I'm so excited to unbox it with you guys. So typically I like to be surprised. I try to avoid the spoiler posts at all costs, but I ended up seeing a few for this month and I was really surprised with some of the products that I saw. Now granted, I don't know if those products will be in this box because I am on their, I guess it's their PR list. They send one out to influencers and bloggers and YouTubers each month to promote the box, and that's what I do. So I don't know if the products that I saw on the Instagram will be in this box. However, typically I do get the products that are on their Instagram account in the boxes. So we will see. But in any case, I'm really excited to unbox this month's box with you guys. So let's get right into it. So here's the box here. We got some good stuff. And it looks like the theme for this month is Flourish, which I feel like that's a good theme for May. Here is the card here. So let's see. So first things first, from Skin Inc, we had the My Daily Dose of Uplift Smooth and Lift, a cocktail of collagen, coenzyme Q10, and hyaluronic acid encapsulated serums from Japan. This actually looks really cool. I don't know if you could tell, but there's like these little beads in there. Skin Inc supplement bar. I feel like I've heard of that brand before. I feel like I've tried something from this brand before. I'm not entirely sure though. So let's see. It says here, Skin Inc My Daily Dose of Uplift. This skin reviving serum with encapsulated collagen, coenzyme Q10, and hyaluronic acid delivers an anti-aging power punch, giving you smoother, firmer, and younger looking skin. And it is worth $65. So that is quite a lot. Now, if you subscribe to Boxycharm, you're paying $25 for this box. So to get the first product worth $65 already makes the box worth it. I'm excited to try this out. If you checked out my video on the Glow Man's Overnight Star Serum, or like instant facial, the overnight facial, I talk in that video about how it's really never too early to begin with, eye creams and anti-aging products, because it's better to be preventive than reactive. So I think this is great and I'm really excited to try this out. So next we have the Beekman 1802 Dewy Eyed Illuminating Eye Serum. Depuffs and fights dark circles. So here it is here. This packaging is really cool. I actually have never heard of this brand, and that is probably my favorite thing about getting these Boxycharm boxes is I discover new brands that, some of them end up being some of my favorite brands. So that is exciting. Let's see here. Here it is here, the Illuminating Eye Serum. It's actually really neat. I like their packaging, and it came in this little like baggie here. So let's see what it says. The Beekman 1802 Dewy Eyed Illuminating and Depuffing Eye Serum. Say goodbye to fatigue and awaken tired eyes with a highly concentrated, clinically proven eye serum. A powerful blend of actives and goat milk quickly absorbs into skin for hydrating revitalization that illuminates eyes while helping to fight the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. And it is worth $42. So as far as box value goes, we're on the right track this month. So next we have a product from a brand that I don't believe I've ever tried out. Maybe I have. I may have used some of their products, but I know this is a very well-known brand and I've been wanting to try out more of their products. If I have, I feel like I have. I definitely have. But in any case, so it is from Murad and it is the Environmental Shield City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. So let's see what that looks like. Now this is like a really highly talked about brand, and I believe I've tried a cleanser from them before, which was really great. But here is the moisturizer here. They're very well known. A lot of vloggers and YouTubers and, well-known people use this stuff and praise, they talk very highly of it. So hopefully this lives up to that hype. And it says the Murad City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. Detoxify and revitalize skin overnight. A daily dose of pollution and blue light from electronic devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. This breakthrough formula contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralize pollutants and strengthen skin's barrier while you sleep. and is worth $74. So this is worth almost 3 times the amount that you were paying for this box. So this alone makes the box so worth it. And I think this is really neat. I mean, especially in this day and age where we are working, especially being home, you're in front of blue light screens all day long. So to have something like this is super neat. And if you saw my overnight star video, I talk about how I absolutely love products that do the work for you overnight. So I'm really excited to try this out. So next we have a product from another brand that I've heard tons about but haven't gotten a chance to try yet. And it's from Ciate London, and it is the Shadow Flip Multi-Chromatic Shifting Liquid Eyeshadow. So this is the first box that I've received since I've begun receiving Boxycharm boxes that doesn't have a eyeshadow palette inside. Every box that I've received so far has had an eyeshadow palette. This one I guess is more focused on skincare so far, but it has some sort of eyeshadow in it, so I guess that compensates for it. And to be honest with you, I have so many eyeshadow palettes that, you know, skipping a month of eyeshadow palettes totally is okay with me. But in any case, here is the liquid shadow. It actually looks really neat if you can see that color. Yeah, so there it is there. I've actually never tried a liquid well, actually, that's a lie. I've had some Pixie liquid shadows before, but besides that, I've never tried a liquid shadow from another brand. So I'm excited to compare this to the Pixie one and see if I like it. So it says here, the Ciate London Shadow Flip. This liquid eyeshadow has shade-shifting, color-flipping pigments. It creates an instant multi-chrome effect on the lids, blending seamlessly into a multi-tonal look in just one simple step. The color appears to change as light reflects off the contours of the eyelid and eye crease, and it is worth $20. So it is a color flipping shadow, which I guess, you know, makes sense with why the box looks like this. But that's really interesting. I'll have to try it out and let you guys know what I think. It's also cruelty-free and vegan, which is also a plus. And the last product is the Hydrating Hybrid 2-in-1 Lipstick Balm from Sophia and Mabel. This is another brand that I have never heard of, but I'm always open to trying new brands. And it says topless on the back, so I guess that is the shade. Here it is here. That's a different color. I don't think I own anything that shade. It's kind of like a brownish nude. I don't know if it's, yeah. Okay, so it has the shade topless, so I'm assuming it is pigmented. I really like their packaging too, that's really neat. So it says here, Sophia and Mabel Hydrating Hybrid. This hydrating hybrid is a lipstick and lip balm in one. It's packed with vitamin E to keep those lips silky smooth, but with the full coverage of a satin finish lipstick. Bring this baby with you anywhere you go and apply when you're in need of a little extra moisture with a subtle pop of color, and it is worth $15. So it seems like it's more of a lip balm than a lipstick, which is okay with me. And it says that it has a subtle color, which I like a good subtle color. So I'm excited to try this out. So here are all the products from this month's box. So let me add it all up and I'll let you know what the total value of the box is. So the total value of this month's box is $216, which typically the base box is an average value of $175 and the premium box is an average value of $215. So I don't know, I believe the premium boxes say premium on here. So I still think that this is a base box, but maybe it's just got a higher value this month, which is super cool in my opinion. As far as my final thoughts on the box go, I noticed that this month was more skincare oriented than previous months, which again is totally okay with me because I've been trying to, you know, get my skin ready for summer. So I've been focusing a lot on skincare this month and this past month. So this is great for me. I will say that in the beginning of the video when I said that I saw some of the spoilers that I saw, there was not a single one of them in this box. So I don't know if that's because I'm on this PR list or if it's because one of the products was the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, the one that has like the wand on the end, like the sponge wand, which I have Tarte Shape Tape, so I'm not missing anything by not getting that. I was actually surprised to see that they were putting that in boxes because I don't recall if when I was put on this list, if I, you know, picked skin tone shades and stuff like that. So I don't recall if I did that. So if I didn't, then there would be no way for them to know which shade I would need, which makes sense. In any case, I'm super pleased with what came in this month's box, and I'm gonna have to do some more research to find out if this was the base or premium box. Pretty sure it was the base box, but with just a higher dollar value. And if you get the base box or you subscribe to the base box, it is a $25 monthly subscription. And like I said, the total average dollar value is normally $175. It'll fluctuate here and there. The premium box, which is also monthly, is a $35 a month box. It has 6 to 7 products in it. This one had 5. And it has a average dollar value of $215. And then you have the Luxe box, which is $49.99 a quarter, so you only get that quarterly. And it has 8 or more products, and it is a beauty and lifestyle products. And I believe the average dollar value for that one is around $400, like $395, something like that. But in any case, you can subscribe to the base and the premium, or you know, the base, premium, luxe, base, luxe, whatever. You can subscribe to any combination of the boxes, and you will receive different products in each box. So if you wanted to find out what was in each of the boxes, you can always subscribe to all 3. I will leave links to be able to check out more, to compare the boxes and to subscribe in the description down below. I will also link it in the accompanying blog post that I put with this video each month. So in any case, if you want to hear more about these products, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Brie Cutter. I usually post products that I'm loving and testing out on my Instagram stories, and I usually let you guys know what I think on there. And if you have any questions about Boxycharm, this box, the products in it, and you want to reach out, by all means, I will do my best to answer them. And if I can't give you an answer, I am more than willing to reach out to Boxycharm on your behalf and get answers for you. And if you liked today's video, make sure you hit the red button down below, subscribe to my channel, click the bell next to it to be notified whenever I post, and make sure you follow me on social media at Brie Cutter. And until next time, see you guys.